welcome to our inaugural Integrity Systems Company Stakeholder Forum. Days like today are very much about bringing all sectors across the supply chain together to really make sure that we're cementing a good understanding of the direction for our integrity systems programs and that we're bringing everyone along for that journey.
The Integrity Systems Company's been working with industry on the development of a strategy which is going to shape the future of our integrity systems from 2025 and beyond.
What the strategy represents is opportunities for everyone across the supply chain to benefit, but also there's technology, there's inventors, there's data analytic companies that all need to be part of it.
In the longer term, 2025 and beyond, if we can connect an ID device to a satellite, what we enable is a whole bunch of automation to hang off that. That means that if I'm a producer that's receiving some cattle, instead of having to scan them, take that data off my device, put it on a computer, upload that to the NLIS, what I'm doing is I'm waiting for a notification on my phone or in my email or something that says, did you just receive 100 cattle? And I can click yes, and I'm done.
How do we understand these consumers? What are the current consumer trends that we're seeing in the market? And what does this mean for you? We're showing our customers exactly where their products have come from, who has been involved in all aspects of that journey, and what they expect to be getting for the price that they are paying. Trust is very much important to them. Our customers are really becoming aware of where things come from and what they want from their retailers.
There is so much data that you can get for cropping, and the cropping enterprises have a much better culture of using data, and livestock producers must get to that.
In 2025, I would hope that anyone that was going to a sale yard would be able to scan a pen of sheep, for example, and get all of their animal health data, what they've been fed, what they've been injected with, what their animal health issues are, and that's an everyday occurrence.
So we need to be able to set up systems that information can follow an animal right through the supply chain, right from where it was born right through to, basically when it gets eaten.
Over the next 5 years, our strategy, working closely with producers, processors and the whole value chain, is to improve the automation so that it can be more streamlined, so that we can get better data, so that we can get better feedback loops for producers, so that they can make better decisions on farm, and all players through the value chain can make better decisions to get better quality products, hopefully at better price points globally.
It's really important that we make sure we're on the same page and all sharing the same message and the same story, because that's going to help us be able to bring more value for Australian product.
I'm just really excited coming out of today in regards to how we'll move forward as an industry, and having everyone in the room together today has really brought together some really great ideas.
I think there's a lot of exciting technology opportunities on the horizon, and the 2025 strategy is a really good visionary guide for our industry. I'm quite proud of it, to be a part of it, so I'm looking forward to it. I think the future is bright.
It was good to see a good mix of people right across the industry, across beef and lamb, from producers, processors, retailers, sharing what they're doing and how they're adding value, and I think it was a lot of insight, ways we can improve our own business.
Integrity matters. That's really what it's about. That's why we as producers want to have systems that ensure that we're producing a good product and that our consumers can be confident in what we do.
Integrity Systems Company can't do it on our own. We really need to make sure that we have all stakeholders across the supply chain embarking on this, and collaboration is key.